This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Juke. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, a sport-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.